Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. I wanted to do a full update. I mean, in general, I've tried to keep you updated on the situation for Solana in the last week. Obviously, after the start of last week was already very bearish, with a big bearish breakdown here below 180. Just wanted to keep you updated on that. My internet is lagging a bit. There's an outage here in my neighborhood. So I wanted to go over some fundamentals as well. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do that, but I looked at them not too long ago, so I can tell you as well. Outside of that, but it's not looking great for Solana. I mean, yesterday we already briefly talked about, I'm not sure if switching timeframes was the best idea. It works, but yesterday we already talked about that, yesterday morning we already had the bearish breakdown below 164 and 165. So what I told you is that, we need to reclaim this very, very soon, like yesterday or today. Otherwise, we're going to drop down into the POC, which was around 145. You cannot see that right now, but that was there. You can see that if I scroll all the way to the left, but the right. So either the POC, which was the kind of the most traded level, or the level with the highest volume back when we were ranging between 170 and 125, or all the way down, ultimately down to this major support level around 130, 125, 120. And unfortunately, we were unable to reclaim the level here at 165. And that caused us to fall down into that level. So was it completely unexpected? No, and we've known that the fundamentals were decreasing for some time as well. Especially the DEX trading volumes have not been amazing, and the activity on the Solana network has not been great. If you compare the volume right now compared to the volume in November, for example, just not amazing. And the sentiment around Solana is also very, very bad, of course. Or at least it has been very bad for the last couple of weeks with all those launches, and fundamentally that was too much. All right, that was too much. We fell down back into this previous range. So that, in my opinion, that does make the structure bearish right now. All right, we had a consolidation up here, which lasted for 3 months. All right, so that was definitely not nothing. And we failed to hold that, and we got a bearish breakdown below that. So you could say we are just neutral again, because we are back in that same range which we were in before. And you're kind of right, and hopefully we will be able to hold this range. But ultimately, it is bearish, right? Dropping back down into this range after holding these levels for such a long period of time. But the Trump effect has worn off. I still think that fundamentally there's some great catalysts for Solana. I'm definitely not super bearish on Solana, but short term I have to be. All right, I still think we're going to get a Solana ETF in 2025, so that will provide a lot of bullish momentum, and who knows what more we can actually do. And I've always said I still think that there's a lot of value on Solana as well, outside of the shitcoins and the scam coin launches. But at this point of time, it's just weak. All right, and Bitcoin is at a strong support, but it's also not really finding the support that you want to see from a level like that. So there's still a risk that will drop down lower. So therefore, ultimately, and that's also in line with the technical structure for Solana right now, I would say it's most likely that short term we might see a bit of a bounce, and we are bouncing here, but that Solana will still test that major support at 125, 120. I think we will hold that. All right, I think maybe we'll spike down lower to 100 or 110, but I do think ultimately we'll be able to hold that support level, consolidate on top of that, and then from there we'll see whether we can get back up to 165, yes or no. But that is like getting short-term, getting more bearish pressure, bearish momentum into the support, maybe getting a bearish imbalance below that and a reclaim. I think that's the most likely scenario for now. The market is not giving enough bullish momentum from the liquidation spike so far, which makes me think we're going to get another liquidation spike. But ultimately, fundamentally and technically, I think this level at 120 and 125 is strong enough to support Solana. But I'll keep you updated on that. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.